168 Intermittent Fasting 8-Hour Diet for Fast Weight Loss. The 8-hour diet is an intermittent fasting strategy for fast weight loss. This diet is also known as the 16/8 diet or 16/8 intermittent fasting. It allows you to eat anything in an 8-hour window and fast for 16 hours. Scientific research confirms that an 8-hour diet may lower blood pressure and bad cholesterol and reduce the risk of insulin resistance. This article guides you through the 8-hour diet, what to eat, a sample diet chart, and if you should try it. What is the 8-hour diet? The 8-hour diet is highly effective for weight loss, and you don't even have to compromise on your hunger or health. The 8-hour diet is a type of intermittent fasting, where you can eat anything you want within the 8-hour window and fast for 16 hours. This diet was popularized by the authors, David Zinczenko and Peter Moore in the book, The 8-Hour Diet. Buy it here, and it is also known as 16/8 intermittent fasting. How does the 8-hour diet work? The 8-hour diet works in the following ways. Stimulates the function of the mitochondria. Mitochondria are cell organelles that convert glucose to usable energy, ATP. Fasting for 16 hours helps stimulate the mitochondria and reduces the level of intracellular damage caused by a poor diet. Uses up glycogen and fat stores. Glucose is converted into glycogen and stored in your muscles and liver. In a fasted state, your body first uses up glycogen for fuel and then gains access to fat stores. The 8-hour diet teaches you how to trigger the furnace in your body that burns fat while you sleep so that the flab can get stripped away right from the moment you wake up. Burns the calories you consume. According to David Zinczenko and Peter Moore, the authors of the 8-hour diet, modern lifestyles involve grazing or eating around the clock, which does not give your body sufficient time to burn all the calories that it is required to. While you are fasting, your body gets the chance to reset itself and digest food. This allows your body to process nutrients and eliminates toxins effectively. Keeps you satiated. Most diets are restrictive. From portion control to caloric restriction, there are various terms and conditions that the dieter needs to follow. The 8-hour diet takes the pressure off a traditional diet. Having the freedom to eat everything within an 8-hour window keeps your taste buds alive and prevents boredom. That's why it is sustainable. Main idea. The 8-hour diet stimulates your metabolism, burns the glycogen and fat stores, and gives your body enough time to digest food and eliminate toxins. It keeps your interest in the diet alive by allowing you to eat anything you want. Considering all of that, is the 8-hour diet safe? Here's what science says. Yes, the 8-hour diet is safe. In fact, fasting has various health benefits. Research shows that people who fast intermittently shed fat without affecting their muscle mass. Their blood cholesterol levels improve, they become more insulin sensitive, and the risk of diabetes and metabolic diseases reduces. However, you must follow the schedule as mentioned in the next section. 8-hour diet or 16/8 intermittent fasting schedule. Follow the 8-hour diet every alternate day initially. Later, you can follow it every day or once every 2 days, depending on how long can you survive without food and also if you are losing weight and feeling good. Design your schedule according to your lifestyle. Observe when you feel hungry the most. Is it during breakfast or lunch? How many hours do you work or are in school? Do you work out? If your day starts at 8 a.m., you can eat from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Well, if that's too early, use the 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. window. Fast until 10 a.m. the next day. Note: you may follow this diet every alternate day or just once or twice a week depending on your convenience and schedule. Here's a sample diet plan for the 8-hour diet or 16/8 intermittent fasting. When you wake up, green tea or coffee or any detox drink. Breakfast, 10 a.m., wheat flakes and milk or banana smoothie or kale smoothie or scrambled or hard-boiled eggs with toast pre-lunch snack, 11:30 a.m., cucumber and watermelon salad or 4 almonds lunch, 12:30 to 1 p.m., baked fish and veggies plus low-fat yogurt or tortilla wrap plus low-fat yogurt or tuna, vegetable sandwich plus fresh fruit juice post-lunch snack, 2:30 p.m., 1 medium-sized dark chocolate brownie or 1 orange or apple evening snack, 4 p.m., a small bowl of potato wafers or a small bowl of popcorn or a small bowl of nachos with low-fat mayonnaise dip. Dinner v. 6 p.m. grilled vegetable, chicken kebab plus bread pudding or Asian-style chicken soup, Indian lentil soup plus fruit custard or vegetable lasagna plus cucumber juice or kidney beans chili plus 2 to 3 chapatis plus glass of warm milk. Apart from the foods mentioned in the chart, here's a list of foods you may eat and avoid losing weight. 16/8 intermittent fasting foods to eat: vegetables and fruits, any vegetable or fruit. Proteins: beans, soy, tofu, lentils, eggs, fish, chicken breast, turkey, lean cuts of beef and pork, protein bars, limited amount, and protein shakes. Grains: brown rice, black rice, white rice, broken wheat, barley, amaranth, quinoa, and sorghum. Dairy: any dairy product, unless you are lactose intolerant. Fats and oils: olive oil, rice bran oil, canola oil, butter, ghee, mayonnaise, and margarine, all in limited amounts. Desserts: chocolate pudding, bread pudding, banana muffins, cupcakes, homemade cakes, ice cream, custard, chocolate, etc., all in limited amounts. Herbs and spices: any herb or spice, unless you are allergic to any of them. Beverages: fresh fruit or vegetable juices, tender coconut water, detox drinks, green tea, black tea, and coffee. 16/8 intermittent fasting foods to avoid: fats and oils, lard, coconut oil, butter, or mayonnaise in excess. Beverages: alcohol, consume limited amounts, aerated and sweetened beverages, packaged fruit juices. Main idea: you can eat anything you want, but make sure that you avoid consuming too many foods with saturated fats, refined sugar, and artificial additives. 8-hour diet health benefits: helps lower LDL, bad cholesterol. May reduce blood pressure. Improves metabolic markers to some extent. Helps flush out toxins. Has been found to increase energy expenditure and browning of fat in mice. Reduces the risk of cardiovascular disorders. Lowers the chances of type 2 diabetes. Balances hormones. Mice studies show that fasting can increase longevity. If you are trying the 8-hour diet for the first time, you may experience the following: nausea and mood swings in the initial days. After dinner, you may feel like snacking. People may end up eating more after fasting for 16 hours. This may lead to weight gain. Fatigue and weakness. Low blood pressure. According to a rat study, when done in excess, intermittent fasting may shut down the reproductive system and cognitive abilities in females. Main idea: the 8-hour diet plan is perfect for weight loss and improving your health. But do not go overboard. Consult a doctor and get expert advice to make this diet successful. Should you try the 8-hour diet or 16/8 intermittent fasting? Try it if your doctor approves of this diet. You are supervised by your doctor. You feel comfortable fasting for 16 hours. You do not have hypoglycemia or any other medical issue. If your doctor has given you the green signal to try the 16/8 intermittent fasting, here's a list of what to do and avoid while on this diet. What to do: go to sleep for 3 hours after dinner. Work out regularly. Eat fattening foods in limited amounts. Include lots of veggies and fruits in your diet. Drink enough water. What to avoid: do not snack after dinner. Do not sit in one place for long. Don't eat carb-loaded foods in excess. Don't snack for at least an hour after a meal. Limit alcohol consumption. Conclusion: the 8-hour diet or 16/8 intermittent fasting is a great way to lose weight and prevent weight regain. Talk to your doctor before trying this diet or following our sample diet plan. Also, eat healthy food to prevent weight gain. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching, and are there any videos, in particular, you would like to see? Please let us know by commenting below.